Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by inserting the image and putting it behind text, so transparency affects appearance, not layout. First, insert the picture from Insert Pictures and place it roughly where you need it. Once done, resize and position the image to cover the area. Make sure wrap text is set to behind text so the image sits like a background. This matters because inline images don't support the same transparency workflow, and positioning first saves you repeated adjustments later. Now you change the transparency through the picture format controls so the background blends with your content. Select the image and use the transparency gallery for quick presets or open format picture for a precise slider. Drag to the percent you want and watch the document shift. Make small adjustments and check legibility of foreground text. 50% can be a starting point. If you need exact values, type the percent into the transparency box. This gives consistent results across pages. Finish by locking position or placing the image in the header if you want it on multiple pages. This ensures consistency. Once done, export to PDF or print preview to confirm the transparency appearance and outputs, because some printers or export settings may flatten images. If the transparency disappears, make sure the image is set behind text and not inline, or reinsert and reapply the transparency slider. This often fixes flattening issues. Finally, save a copy so you can revert if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.